Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the essentials: an active system, EO account, and a connected domain or subdomain so links look professional. First, choose a concrete funnel goal like webinar, lead magnet, or product sale because structure follows purpose. Then create a new funnel, choose a template that matches your goal, and name each step clearly. Opt-in, thank you sales. Once done, edit the opt-in page content and add the email form. This gets leads into your list immediately and powers your follow-up automations. Now build the core. Design your opt-in and sales pages with clear headlines and a single call to action so conversions rise. Connect a payment provider like Stripe or PayPal and create the product with price, billing, and receipts. Make sure currency and tax are correct. Once that's live, set up email sequences and tagging rules to segment buyers versus leads, and configure one-click upsells or downsells in the funnel editor. This increases average order value without complicating the buyer's path. Finish by testing every link and step exactly like a visitor. Submit the opt-in, confirm the autoresponder email, and complete a test purchase so receipts and product access work. Once verified, enable funnel analytics and add UTM tracking for campaigns, then publish and start traffic. If something breaks, check one key troubleshooting area first: payment webhooks and automation logs, clear caches, resave forms, and resend test emails to find broken triggers. This fixes most launch blockers quickly and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.